So what should we do today?
I don't know. Peel.
Peel. Let's do it.
So we've really been missing some of the furniture flipping around here. So last week we decided to go and do a big thrift haul. We found 6 really cool items that we felt like needed little to no work because we're a little burnt out on projects lately. We found some really unique items that we think should be a pretty good flip for some good profit. So we're gonna see what we can do.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
So this white wicker mirror was $25 from one of my favorite thrift stores. I thought that was a little bit steep for it, but I was willing to pay that because it was such a cool shape. And I think I can get $75 for it if I do a really cool trick that my sister showed me, which is actually painting it back to its original rattan color. My sister uses this one, it's called Satin Nutmeg. So I'm gonna go ahead and tape this and paint this up back to its original brown. Which is just that trendier color. It's such a cool piece. I think someone would really love it. So that's a little trick in flipping, is to look for that white wicker that no one seems to want right now. It's just a lot cheaper and there's a lot more of it out there. So look for those pieces and then just spray paint it back to that brown. So this wasn't a part of our original thrift haul, but I found this on Facebook Marketplace the other day in a little beach town nearby us. So I quick ran over there to get it. It was $80. I asked her if she'd take 50 and she said yes. It's really beautiful bamboo. The chairs are really unique and cool. They have like just really pretty lines. They came with these cushions, which I'm gonna take off these top ones, leave the bottom, and then just stage it really pretty in our home. I saw comps for this online for around $1,500. But I don't know that people actually will pay that for it, so we're gonna ask $300 for locally on Facebook Marketplace. So we really like this piece because it was a simple flip. We're not doing a ton to it, we're not reupholstering or painting, and it should still be a pretty good profit for us. Beautiful.
Nice.
So when I'm going to be taking these photos for Facebook Marketplace, I make sure to take a lot of angles. I'll try to show any imperfections that I find just so that I can be really honest with people. I always let people come and look at it before they buy just so that they can be really happy with it. But yeah, just take lots of angles and just the more pictures the better.
All right, show them what we got.
This cute thing, $250. I love it so much. I saw these going on eBay for like $50 to $60. I don't know, we're trying new stuff today. I don't know what we're gonna get for it, but we wanted to try other things besides just furniture.
All right, so we quick grabbed this coffee pot on our way out of one of the thrift stores. We saw it near the cash register and it was only $2. It's really cool and retro looking and we plugged it in and it works. Problem is, we got it home and did some more investigating. So the heat part works, it brews hot water, but it's missing a very crucial part. Part that holds the beans. So right now it is currently just a teapot. It has this little like tea leaf thing. So we might be able to sell this one as a teapot, but I'm not really counting on it. So this one might end up back at Goodwill.
It's a beaut.
It's lightweight. Very nice.
No rips or anything.
No rips, no scratches.
How much?
32. Alright, so I've always wanted to get one of these bentwood rockers. I think they're really cool. We've never seen them listed for too much on Marketplace, which is kind of strange because to me they look trendy. They have like the cane look to them and stuff like that. We paid $32 for this chair. We had it listed for $125 but didn't get any hits. So we lowered it to $100 and still haven't gotten any hits. So I'm hoping we can get away with still doubling our money on the flip, but we'll see what happens.
You want to keep it?
It's cozy. It's nice. It needs like a cup holder. Then it would be perfect.
I like the marble base.
Yeah.
Cool.
So while we were out thrifting, we actually made a poll on Instagram and asked our Instagram followers if we should get the bentwood rocker, and a lot of people said yes for $32. So we actually went back to that store and bought the bentwood rocker, and while we were there, we saw that they had just put out this lamp. This was from the Restore. So we got really excited, so we snagged it, we brought it home, started cleaning it up, and then we thought about, hey, we should plug this in.
All right. So, looks like maybe there's a problem.
How would you fix that?
I have to run new wires up through here. Reattach the light fixtures. It can be done. The question is, do we want to spend the time on it?
Do you?
Not really. I'm sick of projects.
So this is a very vintage lamp. It's definitely mid-century from that era, but the problem is that Target sells a very identical one for $130. It's hard for me to list it at more than Target's value because people could just go to Target and get a brand new working fresh lamp. So here in the Midwest, it doesn't seem like people really see the value in these vintage items, especially if they can get a very similar looking one from Target. I kind of feel the same way, honestly. So we bought this lamp for $20. It does not work. We might try to get a little bit more for it, maybe $50, just kind of a finder's fee, and let someone else deal with the project of rewiring it all. Because if they can fix it up, it really could be a really cool lamp, and they could even make a profit on it if somebody else wanted to sell it. But for us, I don't think that we really want to deal with that right now. So I picked up this mirror for $5 from the thrift store. I thought it was really beautiful and cool, had some cool detailing on it. I know it's not everyone's style, so it might not sell quite as quickly as some other items, but I think someone will really love this piece. I think I'm gonna ask $25 to $30 for it, which would be like 5 timesing my money, which I'm totally cool with. I was really excited about this, and for $5, you can't really go wrong. So we're gonna go ahead and just hang this up on the wall in our home and just show someone what it might look like in their home.
All right, so after all those flips, we ended up with almost a $400 profit. Not bad for having 2 items that didn't work, so the lamp and the coffee pot. We love furniture flipping as a way to make extra money. We have tons of videos on our channel about it.
We even have a video where we paid our entire mortgage just by flipping furniture, so go ahead and watch that one next. Peel.
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 Peel.